welcome back. I am so happy to see you again because today we're going to make a beautiful fall leaf collage using all of the colorful leaves we painted on Wednesday. Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, so we're going to talk about how to arrange these leaves to make different patterns. Maybe a circle, maybe a heart, or even a rainbow. But first, let's warm up our creative brains with a little song. If you're ready to make art, clap your hands. If you're ready to make art, clap your hands. Take your leaf and your brush, use your colors, don't you rush. If you're ready to make art, clap your hands. Great job, everyone. Now, let's get started. We're going to begin laying our leaves on a big piece of paper, like this. Let's see. I'll place this big red, green, and purple leaf in the middle. What should go next? I think I want my collage to be a big, colorful tree. But you can make yours any way you like. Should we try making a heart or star pattern? I know. Let's sing a song to help us with more ideas. Leaves, leaves, leaves of fall, orange, red, and brown. Place them here, place them there, spin them all around. Leaves, leaves, leaves of fall, mix them side by side. Glue them down, watch them stick. Make art, won't we hide? Do you see how our leaves can look like a pattern? Let's talk a little about something called symmetry. That's when both sides of the picture look the same, like a mirror. Should we make a symmetrical pattern where we place the same leaf on each side? Or should we make an abstract collage? Symmetry is great for making balanced pictures, but sometimes it's fun to mix things up. There's no right or wrong way to do it. So let's see what kind of patterns we can create. How about we sing a quick song to help us choose? Red and yellow, green and brown, leaves are falling all around. Place them here, place them there, create a pattern if you dare. Red, yellow, green and brown, leaves are falling on the ground. Oh, I love how creative you all are being. Now, let's get some glue and stick our leaves onto a paper. Make sure you press down gently so they stay in place. Ready to stick, little artists? Glue, glue, glue your leaves, stick them one by one. Place them here, place them there until you're all done. Glue, glue, glue your leaves, press them down so neat. Look at our beautiful collage. It's ready, such a treat. Wow, look at our beautiful collage. Doesn't it look just like a fall forest? Each leaf is so special, just like you. I hope you had fun arranging and gluing your leaves. What other colors or patterns should we add next time? You did an amazing job today, little artists. Remember, you can make a collage any way you like. Symmetrical, abstract, or even in a shape of an animal. There's no limit to what you can create. Goodbye, goodbye. We had so much fun making fall collages, every single one. Glue and colors, leaves all day. We made beautiful art in every way. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to go. But I'll see you next time, that's for sure. Thank you for joining me today, little artists. If you had fun, make sure you share your beautiful collages with me by tagging Artful Auntie. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more creative adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay magical. Bye-bye.